In this video we're going to show you how to remove the airbag on this Elantra. We have the battery disconnected, so we can put the key in the ignition, turn the steering wheel so you can see right here. There's that hole where you need to use a screwdriver to put in there and just kind of press until you see until you release the airbag. There. So the airbag released on this side. We're gonna have to do the same thing on this side. There you go. This one released. So you basically pushing straight down right there, like so. Then we have one more. Let's see if we can get this one. When the airbag releases, you'll see it pop out right there. There you go. You be careful, hold it, because you don't want it to fall just like that. But basically what we were pressing is these little pins right here that you can see there's kind of pain. So a screwdriver might not be the best thing, but if you had something with a thicker diameter at the end and flat, it'll be easier to press those in. You have 1, 2, 3. The next step is to disconnect the cables, and you need to lift up these tabs like so. Then you can pull out the 2 airbag cables, and notice the yellow one and this green or light blue one needs to go back in the same spot right here. Disconnect that here. That's the horn, and that's how you remove the airbag.